How to remove a text in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Capcut application on your device over here and select the project. So as you can see, I've already selected the project over here, and here you can see the text that has been present in the project. Now if I want to remove it, what you can simply do is tap on the text in the video over here. So as you tap on that, or you can simply go for text option at the bottom of the screen, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the text option over here. So what you can do is simply tap on the cross mark over here. This will delete the text, or you can simply tap on it, and here you can see the option of delete at the bottom of the screen. So tap on delete and your text will be deleted, and here you can see your project. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.